Hello everyone, welcome to Top CEO channel. Recently, there were a lot of headlines about microchips shortage slow down the car productions. Since I'm investing in the electrical vehicle stocks, I'm a little worried, so I did a little bit digging and I will share my findings about the shortage of the chips with you in this video. The problem of chip shortage originally emerged in the spring of 2020 due to the trade war between US and China. And then the COVID-19 pandemic makes the situation even worse. Starting late last year, the car makers around the world started feeling the pain of microchips shortage. The impact is widely spread globally. Recently, all major manufacturers like Volkswagen, GM, Ford, Hyundai, Toyota, Nissan, and Honda all announced production cut due to the shortage of microchips. It was believed that the shortage could continue until the beginning of 2023, and the Bloomberg predicts that the auto industry may suffer 61 billion loss in sales in 2021 alone. Nowadays, the cars are like moving computers with 4 wheels. Microchips are widely used in modern vehicles. The chips used in the cars range from core control system, like engine control unit, to radio, to GPS, remote control, camera, and all other type of sensors used in cars. Not mentioning the new smart cars with driving assistant system that are using complicated and powerful AI chips to control the cars. Chips are used in all kinds of cars, not just the EVs or luxury cars. There are many types of microchips are used in cars, including microcontrollers, sensors, the memory chips. These chips fall into 3 major categories: control chips, function chips, and power chips. The power chips like IGBT are mostly used in electrical vehicles, and the AI chips are used in the cars with advanced driver assistance systems. The cost of the microchips used in the car varies from 50 cents to thousands of dollars. On average, there are around 5,000 to 8,000 chips per car. Based on Deloitte's analysis, semiconductor components that makes up the car electronic system will cost $600 per car by 2022. For the electrical vehicles, the costs are around $800. For high-end EV like Tesla Model S, it can go up to $1,500 per car. So, you may ask, what kind of microchips are in shortage? The biggest problems involve microchips used to control engines, motors, transmissions, but there also have been shortage for the microchips used to make Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth, video display, and safety systems such as blind spot detection and the backup camera. The problem car industry facing are largely a supply and demand imbalance problem. Both the microchips and car manufacturing are highly globalized, and they adopt the just-in-time management system, meaning the manufacturers plan the production and inventories based on market need. Due to the pandemic, auto manufacturing was slowed down in 2020, and the industry predict a slowdown for car sales. So the manufacturers didn't place enough order for microchips. On the other hand, the demand for consumer electronics such as smartphones, computers, game consoles, web cameras, and other devices surged as people worked from home. To make the situation worse, the electric vehicle sales are growing fast, and the EVs are using more microchips than regular cars. thus push demand even higher. The microchip manufacturers are working to increase production in order to meet the demand increase. However, most plants are operating at 100% capacity already and cannot meet the demands. Computer chips are very complicated to manufacture. The fabrication plants can cost tens of billions of dollars to build. So, building new plants are not feasible in a short term. So, the microchip manufacturers have to prioritize their orders to higher margin business, such as consumer electronics, and they reserve their supplies for the large technology companies. In addition, the production of certain chips are highly concentrated in a few companies in Asia. For example, most of the memory chips are produced by Samsung LG in Korea, and while most customized microprocessors are produced in Taiwan. So, for the global car manufacturers, really, there are not too many other alternatives, and they get nowhere else to go. For the automotive industries, the shortage of microchips is a wake-up call for them to secure their supply chains. Companies like Ford have started to secure their supply for battery cells so that it will not get into the same situation as microchips. Maybe car manufacturers will start integrate vertically and manufacturing their own microchips in the future. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. I really appreciate that. And if you can share your thoughts in the comments area, it will be highly appreciated too.